Hi there, welcome to English Zone with Teacher Nelly. Today you will learn about adjective clause. From this lesson, students know kind of adjective clause. Students use in daily life and students make simple sentences using adjective clause. That's the goal ya. You can practice. Next, adjective clause are who, whom, which, that, whose, when, where. We use adjective clause, also called relative clause, to identify or give additional information about nouns, like people, place, or things. Jadi adjective clause atau juga bisa disebut dengan relative clause digunakan untuk mengidentifikasi atau memberi informasi tambahan tentang sesuatu. Bisa jadi orang, tempat, atau benda. Sentences with adjective clause can be seen as a combination of two sentences. Jadi, kalimat dalam adjective clause ini biasanya pergabungan dari dua kalimat. Example, I have a friend. She loves to shop. I have a friend who loves to shop. Who di sini adalah adjective clause. Next, who and whom. Who and whom is a use for people. Jadi ini khusus hanya untuk orang saja. Who as a subject dan juga who after who you should see a verb. Jadi setelah who itu biasanya bisa verb, kata kerja. And then whom as a object. And biasanya setelah whom itu adalah subjek atau noun atau pronoun. Who, example, the man is playing baseball. The man is holding a bat. The man who is holding the bat is playing baseball. Jadi di-combine. Jadi dibikin satu ya. The man who is holding the bat is playing baseball. Holding di sini adalah verb. Today is the day blank Muslim people celebration Lebaran. Where, when, which, who. Yeah, who. Today is the day who Muslim people celebration Lebaran. Whom. I see the doctor in the room. The doctor is my father. The doctor whom you see in the room is my father. Ya, jadi doctor di sini sebagai objek. Practice. The students blank I teach is a Budi. A whom, B who, C whose, or D where. Yeah, the student whom I teach is Budi. Which? It is only for things which can be both subject and object of the clause. Which digunakan hanya untuk benda. Bisa sebagai objek atau sebagai subjek. The telephone is in your room. The telephone is ringing. The telephone which is in your room is ringing. Next, practice. A whom, B who, C which, or D that. Yeah, which. The little girl which is running down the hill is my neighbor daughter's. That is a use for both people and things. Digunakan bisa untuk people, orang, dan kata benda. That can be both subject and object of the clause. Jadi juga bisa menjadi subjek dan objek. Let's see. I see the flower. The flowers are in the pond. The flowers that you see are in the pond. I see the flowers that are in the pond. Ya. Contoh pertama, the flower that you see, the flower itu sebagai subjek, dan and yang kedua itu I see the flower that. I see the flower. Nah, flower yang kedua ini sebagai objek. Next. Practice. The university blank I earned my bachelor's degree has built a new business school building. A which, B where, C that, or D who? Yeah, that. The university that I earned my bachelor's degree has built a new business school building. Whose? Who is the possessive and is used for both people and things and must be followed by a noun. Whose itu kepemilikan dan biasanya digunakan bisa untuk orang dan benda dan harus diikuti oleh a noun. Whose plus noun can be subject or object. Ya, jadi bisa sebagai subjek atau objek. I heard the scientist whose work is attracting interest. I met the scientist whose work I admire. Next example. The girl is crying. Her cat is sick. The girl whose cat is sick is crying. Jadi whose-nya di sini menjelaskan kepemilikan tentang kucingnya. Jadi kucing perempuan yang kucingnya sakit itu sedang menangis. Ya, next. Practice. She has a house, blank house, a beautiful garden. That, where, when, or whose? Yeah. She has a house whose has a beautiful garden. Good. Where modify the noun place. Country, city, building, house, room, street, and so on. Jadi where itu menjelaskan merefers kepada untuk kata tempat. I want to know the name of a city where you were born. Give me the reason blank you study in English online. Why, when, where, or whom. Where. Ya, menggunakan tempat. Dia bertanya tentang tempat. When modify the noun time. Century, year, day, or night. Jadi when itu dimodifikasi untuk kata waktu, misalnya abad, tahun, hari, atau malam. Example, your friend wants to know when you were born. Okay, let's see the example. The Bogor Palace blank was rebuilt in 1856. Is one of Indonesian presidential palace. So the answer which, that, when, or whom? Yeah, the answer is a when. Why? Can you see 1856? Nah, itu menandakan tahun, year ya, dan that's why jawabannya when. Kalau which itu nggak tepat, apalagi that atau whom. Okay, thank you and see you.